You know, we've been living with COVID for the last 2.5 years, and now health officials say the highly contagious BA.5 subvariant is fueling yet another spike in cases. Today, the state is reporting more than 9,500 new cases and 24 newly reported deaths. That is up more than by 1,000 from just a week ago.
And doctors are warning the positivity rate in Harris County may be higher than it seems. Brittany Ford joining us live from Harris County Public Health. Brittany, we know hospitalizations remain low, but health officials say that may not reflect what is actually out there.
Well, and that's right. Harris County's COVID-19 threat level remains in yellow due to those low hospital numbers. Doctors, however, say gauging transmission numbers have become more difficult, which go hand in hand with predicting a surge.
A look at the Texas Medical Center's COVID-19 dashboard shows positivity rates are on the rise. But doctors say those numbers may not show the full picture.
One of the issues we have right now with really having a sense of what the pandemic is doing, what transmission is like in the community is the sheer number of people who are perhaps testing at home.
Dr. Wesley Long, medical director of microbiology at Houston Methodist, says the popularity of at-home testing kits have fewer people reporting positive cases to local health authorities.
The numbers that are being reported don't look as high as previous peaks. It gives sort of a false impression,
which has made it more challenging for health officials to predict when cases will peak. He says the current BA.2 and BA.5 variants are highly contagious.
I don't want people to have a false sense of confidence if they had COVID earlier in the summer, back in May, that they can't possibly be reinfected now, because it's entirely possible they could.
Something that is being reflected in Houston's wastewater. The city's current COVID wastewater report shows a more than 800% increase from its July 2020 baseline.
But still, we know that hospitalizations lag the initial positive cases, and so it just leaves the public a little bit more in the dark about just how high community transmission is.
A monitoring system, Long says, will be fundamental moving forward.
Now, Harris County officials say they are aware of the increase in cases and are planning a COVID-19 update sometime next week. I'll send it back to you.
Yeah, the bottom line here, Brittany, is the pandemic is not over yet. Thank you.